are in the park, and there are these two kids who are playing frisbee. So they throw it with a lot of force up, but it keeps coming down. I hope you can see it. Why is it happening? Why is it that they throw it with such a lot of force and still it comes down? You know, that is because of simple, universal, gravitational force. You know, and but they're not frustrated about it because they're just having fun. So this is physics in the playground, when kids are experiencing the law of gravitational force without their awareness. But when we do the joyful physics experiential workshop, then they actually understand it as to what is happening.